So quickly, we'll look at how to import our 3D model into a chief architect software. Let's say we are transferring it from a Revit software to a chief architect software, or from a chief architect to Revit. So it is very simple. Let's quickly look at that. Okay, so I want to transfer a 3D model, not a 2D. So I will have to show my 3D model. So I will come to quick access toolbar here, click on it. Then I have my 3D model here. Okay, I have my 3D model here. So I will save it to a file type. Okay, I will save it to a file type. And then if I want to save it to a file type, I just come to the tab here. Okay, the tab here, you see file. So click on file, then come to export. Export. Just hover on export. Then it will open this for you. Come and hover on card format. So you see create DWG, create DXF, all those things are here. So you just put it on a DWG. We want to create a DWG software. So I'll just uh, click on DWG here. Okay, it will open something like this for you. To open something like this for you. So it will open something like this for you. Just come here, then click on next. Okay, next. So it will open something like this for you. Then you direct it. So I'm directing it to my desktop. So I'll click on desktop here. Then file type, files of type. Okay, files of type. So you can rename it here. Then you can rename it as file name or prefix. Okay, you can rename it here. You can type the name here. And then files of type. So that one, you just click on the drop down here. Then it will give you if let's say if you are using AutoCAD 2008, then it means you have to select this AutoCAD 2007 file, depending on which AutoCAD version you are using. So I am using a higher version, so I'll choose 2018. Okay. Then I've already directed it to my desktop. I'll click OK. Okay, okay, like this. So it is saving. So it will save it as a DWG document, then I can now import it into Chief Architect. So it has saved. So let me minimize this. Then I have my Chief Architect here opened. Okay, I have my Chief Architect here opened. So let me close this one too. Then let's see whether we can see the 3D model. So this is our 3D model. Okay, this is our 3D model. It is located on our screen because we saved it to the desktop. So it is here. So what I'll do is come to Chief Architect, go to File, again, the same thing, okay? Then you go to Import, Import. So import, you hover on it, then you come to Import Drawing, that is DWG or DXF. So it means that we can even save it as a DXF document there and come and import it here. But we did it as a DWG software, okay? Okay, then we have import 3D symbol. So import 3D symbol, it means that we can import our 3D symbol here. Okay, we can import our 3D symbol. Here, when you import it here, it will be a 2D document. But when you import it as a 3D symbol, it will be like a 3D, like it is in the Revit document that we saved. So I'll just come here, import 3D symbol. So I'll click on it. Okay, then I'll look for my document. So this is the document that I saved, this one. Okay, this is the document. So I'll click, select it, and then I will not do anything here. I'll just go to open. Okay, and then I'll maybe choose show advanced options. So I'll click OK. Okay, so it will take some time, and then it will come. Okay, so you can see that it will open an advanced drawing like this. So you look at it. So you can look at it here. You can turn it. You can turn it. So you can see that my name is here. So the interesting thing is that in chief architect, before you are able to write something like this, you have to buy. Okay, you have to go to the library and then buy it. But you can get that from Revit and then use it, import it, and then use it for your drawing. So we have advanced settings to do. I will not do any of them now. So I'll just click OK. OK. Okay, so you can see that normally when you import a 3D model here, it is like you've used this tool. You've used symbol tool to get your symbol. Okay, it's like you go to tool, then you come to symbol, then you go to get last symbol. So that one you are using or convert to symbol. You are or you are making your drawing as a 3D model into your library. So it is the same thing that will happen to the document that we imported. So now it will go into our user catalog. Okay, so now when I click on it, I come here and then click on the space. So this is the document. So I can show the 3D, click and then click like this to show our 3D. Okay, so you can see it here. Okay, so you can see that I have the name here. Okay, I have my name here. So what I'll do is I'll come to library, type color. I want to use a little bit of color to see. Okay, so I'll apply it here. Okay, so you can see that it has applied. Okay, you can see that it has applied. Let me use a different color to see. Okay, so let me use some tile. So type tile. Okay, so I'll look for a tile. Let me look at this one and then apply it on this floor. Okay, so you can see that we have a very beautiful design here. Okay, let me use something like this to apply it to the wall, to the columns. Okay, so the columns have also taken effect. Okay, so the door, let me look at whether I can find a color for the door. Okay, so let me use this. Okay, so you can see that we have a very nice one here. Let me use glass for the window. Okay, so I've used glass for the window. So look at my drawing. It's beautiful, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. So what I'll do is I will change the roof. So let me use, let me type roof, And then I'll look for the roof type that I want. Okay, so I want this soffit, aluminum soffit, apply it. Okay, so it has applied. So I'll just use the adjust material reagent to adjust the material. So I'll click on it. Then I'll come to properties, texture. Then I'll change this to maybe 3000. 3000. Then I'll change the color. I want to change the color to something like this. Okay, so I want to change it to something like this. Like this. Click OK. Okay, so you can see that I have a very nice roof. Okay, so this is my model. Okay, so let's say this one I will apply glass for the railing. I'll apply glass. So let me look for very nice glass. So let me use this one. So I'll apply it. Okay, so it has taken effect. Okay, so the floor too, I'm going to apply a tile on the floor. So I'll apply it. Okay, so something like this. So you can see I have a very nice model. Okay, very nice model. Look at it. Very nice model. So this is how you can let me change this to a very nice so that you see my name. Okay, see my name there. Let me use this. Okay, let me use this one. Apply it on it. Okay, so yes, I don't like. It's like the color is not brightening enough. Okay, so you can appreciate it. Okay, you can appreciate it. So here I can edit it, do a whole lot of things to my design. Okay. Add something, remove some of the things, and then I'll be good to go. So basically that is how you can import a file from Revit to Chief Architects and then get your model very nice. Look at the model. Look at it. It's very nice. Okay. Very nice one. Okay. So you make sure that you do some of the corrections. You do them before you bring it to Chief Architect because it will not allow you. We can't explode it. If you're able to explode it, then we can be able to do a lot of things with it. But we are not able to explode it. Okay. So make sure that you. But I think we can use our section or elevation to get something. Okay. So, yes. So you see, we can do something. We can use the material wall region here, material wall region. So let me just let me go to this, use the elevation. Oh, in fact, The software has disappointed me. Okay, so let's see. So it will be in my library, okay? So anytime I can come there and pick it. It will be in our library. So I'm trying to launch it. So this is it. Okay, but I would have to go through the same process that I've gone through. Okay. And it wouldn't be so I can just use this and apply. Okay, so basically that is how you can model. Okay, you can model your design from uh, Revit to Chief Architect. Please subscribe to the channel so that anytime I upload videos, you can get notification for it. Thank you.